How do you trade Shibu on Webull? So this is my Webull app. I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to buy Shibu crypto here. So you select markets from when you launch um, your Webull app, and then you select crypto. In this case, this is what appears. So here are the available crypto that you can trade on Webull. So Bitcoin, obviously, Doge, Shibu is here. Yes, Shibu is here. Ethereum is here. Litecoin is here. ETC USD is here. Dash is here. All of these ones you can trade on Webull. So the other available ones, here's XRP for instance. So we will try to trade this one as well. So this crypto is not currently tradable on Webull. You see on here, this is one of those things. So XRP is Ripple is not available. So these are available. So since they are gladly offering you the opportunity to trade Shibu on Webull, so we click on Shibu, and then we have this here. Then I click on trade. Now this message here, it may it may be funny to you. Webull provide crypto trading through Apex Crypto. Apex Crypto is not a registered broker dealer of FINRA member, and your cryptocurrency holding are not FDIC or SIPC insured. Please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved before trading. By tapping to continue below, you fully understand the risk. So, folks, you're investing money here through Webull and Apex Crypto. That money is not secure. But in any case, this is how you will go about doing it. So continue. So in this case here, I can come here. So I want to buy. So my buying on here, it's either limit or market. As of now, I have it as limit. So the price that I want on here, this is the current price that is going at, right? So here amount in Shibu. So I can say, well, maybe it's easier to type it. So I'll go back like this. So how many can I buy? I mean, $1 can buy you a lot of them, right? So in this case here, so let's go put in that I want uh one, and then they enforce right now. So let's see what happens on here. So I click buy. So right execution, this represent the mid price, blah blah blah. Do not show this notice again, blah 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 blah. So let's see. So I said this is a limit, so maybe it will not. So this is how much going to cost me, the estimated amount. So that's not really a good deal. So for me, I want to go back and let's say increase my order on here. So this is in amount. So let's say on here, yeah, you have to do a little bit of math, right? So that's that's so one doesn't do it. So you know that if you do 1,000, so how many you need to do 10,000 here, 4 zeros, 10,000 to get to $7. Okay, so let me do this. So let me do this here. So we're gonna go 1,000 here. Yeah. So and then instead of a limit price, we are going to say market. So yep, market, because as of now. So time in force in an immediate or cancel order. An immediate meaning we want it now, or cancel order meaning whenever I cancel it. Okay, IOC. So this right now is telling me that's going to cost me 7 cents, folks. Okay, so I can definitely go and add this much on here. Yeah, so now it's going to cost me 71 cents to own 10,000 units of Shibu on here. So let's go ahead and do that right now, and then okay, fine. So this is the price that's going to cost me. I don't know what's the transaction fee is going to go. Crypto trading is not available at this moment. No kidding. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Crypto trading is not available. Why? Why would they not trade it after hours? I do not understand. But this is how you will go about buying it. Okay, thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.